And in the last one, yeah, I stopped it because I realized it was gonna be a very long video, and I might as well just knock it down into 2 parts like I did the other unboxing that had a lot of stuff. Well, this is the loot crate I told y'all about. Man, oh, okay. Yeah, they had a theme going on. It was a Black Panther theme. I got it for $18 a box with free shipping. Yeah, they let you choose your size, you know. I'm a big dude, so I got me a 4. Shirts by Marvel and everything. My second Black Panther t-shirt. Pretty cool. It's better than that white one. Second thing in here. The Expanse, some rocket ship. I don't know, I'll see about this, what I do with that. It might be a little, you know, something to sit on the desk. A little dragon pen. Oh, I got a coaster set. I always can use some coasters. And a print. Whoa. But yeah, that's so much was in the box. Thought it'd been more than that, but guess not. I guess because I did the discount, they said they weren't giving me everything. That's all right. But to the main feature. And it's crazy though, these here, I didn't know these came out or existed. Shout out to OG Sneaks, because he's been collecting them. Golly, he takes the mess out of this. Yeah, old box Air Force Ones. If any of you people been collecting sneakers for a long time, you know these one of the old school Air Force One boxes. Now they have the black boxes. I think they have another one. But we're gonna get into it. Ooh wee. You see that, huh? Oh, you even have the Negro League patch inside. The Negro League Untold Truth Collection. Yeah, the Untold Truth Collection. These are limited edition. Oh my God. This leather is plush. Man, you can't get these on those shoes today. Oh wee. When these shoes came out? Oh, 2006. Sorry for taking so long. They got a tag and a tag there. But yeah. Oh. Yeah, they got another emblem on there. Still got the laces on there. Got the premium tag. Man. The craziest thing, this guy wanted $160 for these. He wanted $160. And I talked him down to $100 plus like $8 of shipping. I sold a pair of kicks that paid for these by themselves, and I still have money left from that sale. Yeah, these Ethiopian, I want to say the Ethiopian clowns. Yeah. I want to say these are the Ethiopian clowns. I don't know why I want to say killers, because I guess it sounds kind of better. But yeah, these are cool. And fun fact, they did play in Ethiopia, from my understanding. When the Negro League was taking time out, the baseball players would travel to other countries and play baseball. where, from my understanding, they live better than they did in America. But yeah, man, I got these bad boys. Whee, man, I don't know how I'm gonna top that. Black Panther shirt, magazine. I don't know what the next pickup gonna be, but this your boy Sneaker Man V, and oh Lord, I'm happy to have these. These 5. These are hard to get. Peace. I'm speechless. I can't believe how good the quality on these are. Wow. Thank you, OG Sneaks.